Take out the 6 pieces of screws that fix the rear grille. And then you can see the cooling fan. Since the cooling fan is located inside the compressor, we need to take out the compressor first. Place the refrigerator flat on the ground. Loosen the 4 screws at the bottom of the refrigerator. Then slowly stand up the refrigerator. Make sure to not damage the bottom plate of the refrigerator and the copper pipe of the compressor. Move the compressor slightly. Then you can take out the 2 screws that fix the cooling fan. Then put the red terminal wire of the cooling fan. And the entire cooling fan will be Fix the new cooling fan back with screws. Fix the original screws and compressor back to their original positions.